This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Wynden Holman. Great lot close to Western Washington University and Sehome High School. Walking distant to bus stop, restaurant, and city services. Near freeway ramp for an easy commute. This lot feels like you are in a national park. Lots of possibilities. Transitional zone may be commercial or residential. Check with the City of Bellingham. For more information, review the details below.